Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this episode we'll be making this beautiful hair bonnet. Please kindly subscribe and let's get started to the main deal.
Guys, here I have my satin material and I'm making use of 1 yard to cut this bonnet. So 1 yard will cut 2 bonnet for you if you manage it well. So the first thing I'm going to do is to cut out my band. So here I have 5 inches just to cut out from my band. I'll open it up here. Now tear it out like this. So this will serve for my band. So next thing I'm going to do is to fold my fabric like this. Make sure that both sides are aligning. I'm going to go in like this. So I have like 14 inches here. So I'll make sure that I have that same 14 inches here. So here I have also 14 inches. So here I also have 14 inches. I'm starting from here because you can see there's a missed toe here. So next is to cut our hair bonnet. To cut your hair bonnet, I would be measuring 13.5 here. Depending on how full you want it, you can reduce, you can add more. I have 13.5. So 13 is the actual measurement that I needed. Half inch is for the sewing allowance. So I'll add 13.5 here, 13.5, and I'll connect all those points together. To cut this out. So this is what we have. We'll open it up like this. So from here, I'll be going out by 2.5 or 3 inches, depending on the size of your head. I'm going with 3 inches. Then I'll be coming up by 4.5, and I'll connect it like this. Then I'll also cut it out from here. So this will serve as the opening at the back area. So you can bring it down if you want. Well, this is perfectly okay for me. So the next thing I'll be doing is to go to my sewing machine and sew it here. Give it a half-inch stitching allowance inside. Then also for the band I'll be folding like this, and I'll measure like 10 inches here or 10.5 depending on the size of your head. Then I'll measure here also 10.5. Then I'll give it a notch here, and also give it a notch here. So I'll now open it up like this. You can see the notch is facing each other. So I'll sew all the way here. I'll sew it here to the ending point, and I'll close it up here. I'll do the same thing here. One side facing each other like this, and I'll sew it here, and I'll cover it up like this. So I'll do that to the band and also to the bonnet, and I'll come back and show you. So guys, I've went ahead to sew here. It's half-inch, and I trim out the excessive. Same thing to the other side. So I'm just going to flip it to the right side. It has to be gentle, so you use your scissors to pop up. So you see, here is it. I'll flip it to the right side, same thing to the other side. And also I went ahead to fold here by half an inch all the way around. So next is to attach my bonnet to the rope, just like this. So first thing that we're going to do to get the middle point, 4 by 2 to get the middle point of our bonnet. I'll give it a notch. Then at the band too, I'll get the middle point of the band. I'll give it a notch as well. Then I'll bring one of the edges like this, and I'm going to put it here. And then we'll go in by half an inch. I don't know if you're seeing what I'm doing. So I'll put it here like this. I'm going to be printing it all the way to the other side. Yeah. So or you can, another option, you can just go to your sewing machine 1/2 inch all the way, and then you gather it with your thread. But I'm doing it this way. I'll just go in like this 1/2 inch, and I'll be gathering it I'm while sewing. So I'll do that and come back and show you. So I'm done joining all the joinables. You can see the bonnet is now looking like a bonnet. So here is it, the final look. This is the back and this is the front. So next thing you're going to do is just to iron it, give it a very good ironing, iron the rope and iron these places, and your bonnet is good to go. So guys, this video was really helpful. Please kindly subscribe. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I really appreciate. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video.